Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Loaded.
5 files from the right. Aim. Fire. Fire. Fire at will. Fire at will.
Independent fire!
Fire at will, boys. Gentlemen, forward at the ready.
Forward.
March. Watch your line.
One, two,
Company, halt.
halt.
Company, fire by company. Three, set, fire. Load, boys, load. Come to the ready. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready!
Fire by falls from the left. Ready? Fire.
Go!
Here you go. Heads up.
Thank you.
Load, boys, load.
Loaded.
Alright, y'all know how to do rapid fire by falls?
Yes, sir.
Company, fire by falls from the right. Rapid. Ready?
Ready!
Aim. Fire. Reload.
March. One, two,
Right, forward and right,
One.
oblique. March. This way.
One.
Company, halt.
Halt.
Form your lines, form your lines. Back a little bit, back a little bit, back a little bit. All right, fire by company. Present.
Aim.
Fire. Volley down.
Aim! Fire!
Rise. Load, come to the ready.
Down pistols.
The right. March. Rapid, rapid. Go. Company. Halt. Fire by falls from the right. Present. Fire. Now we can start firing. Load, come in ready.
I'm deserting. Can I shoot him? I'm running.
Well, run, and if you desert, I'll shoot you.
Can I shoot him?
No, I'll shoot him. I'll load it. I'm in. Go ahead and run.
Run. Jack, run up towards it. Run up behind Bear, going towards the house.
Freeze it. Fire.
When you run it.
Load, let's go.
I might throw a sword at you or something.
Nah, I'll shoot you. Fire by files from the right. Present. Hold it. Fire! Hey! 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 Fire at will. walk out with your sword.
Yeah, we fixing to surrender, guys. This shit's over.
Hold your fire, don't move. Nope.
We did.
They're giving up, boys! Give up for the south! Right for the south!
There he is, look at it.
Oh, where'd you have that? He's down there. They come back.
Howdy, howdy. Good seeing you again. Yeah, I see you had Sam looking like Lincoln.
Well,
I tried to get him to go to the theater with me, he wouldn't do it. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, we're going to fire a volley in remembrance of the fallen Confederate and Federal soldiers. And also at this time, do we have any first responders in the crowd, any active military, retired veteran military? Thank you all for your service. Y'all loaded? Also, Sam, raise your hand. I'd like to give a big applause, Sam. Norman Alexander, SCV. We'd like to thank you for making this possible. I know the weather kind of got us a little bit. We pulled it off. A little something for you tomorrow. Maybe it'll be a little better. But like I said, we'd like to appreciate the respect of y'all being here today, the support to keep our heritage and our history alive. And at this time, I'm gonna turn it over and we're gonna fire this volley off. Colonel, sir. At your command, sir.
Attention, company! Right about face! At extreme elevation! Ready! Aim! Fire! Shoulder! Arms! Front! Present! Oh! Shoulder! Oh! Order! Oh!
At the time, this battalion
How did I do, man?
did great. You done. Thank you for coming out in this weather.
for small numbers, we pulled off right
Yeah, we
at
did
25,
pretty
30 minutes, so that's good.
Thank you.
I was coming after y'all.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you all.
Gentlemen, sir.
Colonel.
Thank you guys very much.
Thanks, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you looking like a blue belly for real.
Do I need to get an award now for best stuff?
We got you on film with it.
Thank you for coming out in this man. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Very much.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.